Join us today as we work on this triple trunk developmental Japanese maple that was bought from Ed Clark 2 years ago. So follow me and see what we look like today. Welcome back, everybody. So this is that Japanese maple that was purchased through Ed Clark, one of his benches, and then this is mid-June. So this tree had its first haircut in early March, and then that's just to knock back all the first growth. I didn't pinch anything this year. I just wanted it to develop. It got powdery mildew last year. Last year was pretty bad, if you remember. So I treated the powdery mildew, just let it grow this year, kind of regain strength. Cut it back one time just to push it back to shape. And then right now I'm going to go back and cut everything back down to 2 nodes. This sits in primarily most shade during the day. It's full sun right now until around 2 o'clock. So anywhere I have a long node, I'm going to cut it down. So again, the shorter the node you have, the longer these nodes are, there's not going to be any growth in between. So your goal is to really minimize those lanky inner nodes. That's kind of the goal here. May not work in most cases, but this is why you kind of go back and kind of push back. Can you see your secondary growth after your first primary push? They're much shorter in length. And this, remember, we're talking about pinching. This is not there yet. It doesn't have enough branches just to pinch yet, but it's getting there. So we got a big dieback right there. So during winter, when it drops its leaves, I'm gonna go back and kind of clean all these cuts up. Got to figure out if you're going to keep branches. This is kind of, you would look at, do I keep these branches or do I let them go? I'm very conservative, especially in my area where you get a lot of leaf burn. I try to leave as much as canopy as possible. It's kind of like sunblock. Other than the hiccup from last year of the powdery mildew, actually it's doing pretty well. I'm leaf cutting right now just to open some of its canopy up. I'm gonna let that one grow. That one's gonna take off. Excuse me. I'll seal that up. That's a keeper. Gotta get that long. And remember, these long growths, they're secondary growth. This is not, remember, this is the second time I'm cutting these things. And that's a long growth. I have to keep it. I've been not rotating this tree. Well, rotated it once already. It looks like I need to rotate it again. kind of doing what Bourne does with his only the outer canopy defoliation technique. Kind of doing something very similar to it. I'm just opening it, a little more light goes in between it. So I'm just cutting one of the pair of the petioles off. Just to let some more sunlight in. That's pretty much what I'm doing. Good time of the year to look for powdery mildew, if you have any. Past great time of year to look at them, and then come up with a plan to cure your issue you may have. You're missing. You got only like a couple months where these things look good, and we're in that month that looks good. Back. I lost a branch in the back here, probably due to not enough light. That's the deal with rotating your trees. Don't forget, you need to rotate your trees. I have a bad habit not rotating. Just never home to view them. Lost a branch there. That's a dead branch. These are long nodes. Long. That's it for today. I'll fertilize it. It's a little congested in here. seal that up pretty well. I think I'll leave it as that for now. I can come back and thin again if it gets a little bit too overgrown. Gives you something to do. What I'm going to do is probably face it the other direction now. I'm going to let it heal over. Get all the stuff out. So there you go. Really quick maintenance in the early summer, late fall, spring. I'll probably update this again probably later in the summer. Just give you an update what it looks like, and then if it needs another haircut. Probably needs one more haircut. These trees, I feed it a lot. I'll feed it grow power. I think it's grow power 15-15-15 or 8-8-8-8-8. One of the slow release. I don't remember. It's been a while since I bought the big bag. But yeah, that's it for now. If you guys made it so far, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll get back to you guys later. Have a great summer. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.